My great pleasure to convey the goodwill and warm felicitations to the federal government of Nigeria under the leadership of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to this very important national public hearing on the review of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Let me begin by commending the House of Representatives Committee on Constitution Review, under the able chairmanship of the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie-Kalu, PhD, CFR, for providing this open and inclusive platform. By bringing together citizens, civil society groups, professional bodies, judicial institutions, political parties, and other stakeholders, the committee is giving true meaning to participatory democracy and nation building. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It is not static, but a living document that must continually respond to the realities, aspirations, and challenges of our people. The ongoing process of its amendment provides us with yet another golden opportunity to strengthen our institutions, deepen federalism, guarantee fundamental rights, and promote justice, equity, and accountability across all spheres of national life. This engagement is particularly important as it resonates strongly with the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, which seeks to enthrone good governance, inclusivity, and sustainable development. The process you are undertaking today is therefore not only about amending legal provisions, it is about giving Nigerians renewed confidence that their voices matter in shaping the future of our democracy. I urge all participants to approach this exercise with the spirit of patriotism, responsibility, and constructive dialogue. The quality of ideas generated here will go a long way in shaping the laws and institutions that will serve generations yet unborn. On behalf of the federal government, I wish the committee and all stakeholders fruitful deliberations and assure you that the outcome of this process will receive the desired and deserved attention as part of our collective quest to build a stronger, more united, and prosperous Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.